Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this cute rubber band plus low ponytail on her natural hair. So stay tuned, and all the product I will be using in this video will be listed down below. If you guys are interested, you can check it out. So I'm going to start by moisturizing her hair. After that, I'm going to comb her hair very well, and then we will get started. Okay, so stay tuned.
Oh, but there's no one there. We can figure this out. Put your feet down. We are the lucky ones. Swallow your choice, it's done. Terrified of what's left remains unsaid until you break my mind. Until you break my thoughts.
I'm going to apply this blueberry control paste on the section we just parted out. After that, I'm going to use toothbrush to smoothen it, and then I'm going to part the section into two sections, and then I'm going to use rubber band to secure the first section. While you are doing that, make sure that it's not too tight. And then after that, I'm going to secure the second section, and then I'm going to tie it together with the first section.
Figure this out. Put your feet down. We are the lucky ones. Swallow your choice, it's done. Terrified of what's left remains unsaid until you break my mind. Until you break my thoughts. These sticks and stones will break. Thought about this too much. What's there left to say? Throw your stones the river. Like me, it drifts away. I would watch you stare. I would watch you stare. Oh, but there's no one there. We can figure this out. Put your feet down. We are the lucky ones. Swallow your choice, it's done. Terrified of what's left remains unsaid until you break my mind. Until you break my thoughts.
I'm throwing wishes in the well in hopes that you will keep them for yourself, and know there was a time when we never let go, never let go. Ooh, we never let go.
We can figure this out. Put your feet down. We are the lucky ones. Swallow your choice, it's what's there left to say? Throw your stones the river. Like me it drifts away. I would watch you stare. I would watch you stare. Oh, but there's no one there. We can figure this out. Put your feet down. We are the lucky ones. Swallow your choice, it's done. Terrified of what's left remains unsaid until you break my mind.
Till you break my mind.
Until you break my thoughts.
Till you break my thought. I'm throwing wishes in a well in hopes that you will keep them for yourself. And know there was a time when we never let go. Never let go. Ooh, we never let go.
We can figure this out. Put your feet down. We are the lucky ones. Swallow your choice, it's done. Terrified of what's left remains unsaid until you break my mind.
Till you break my mind.
Until you break my thought.
Till you break my thought.
These sticks and stones will break.
They will break, they will break, they will break. Oh, 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 yeah, yeah. No, no.
Thought about this too much. What's there left to say? Throw your stones the river. Like me it drifts away. I would watch you stare. I would watch you stare. Oh, but there's no one there. We can figure this out. Put your feet down. We are the lucky ones. Swallow your choice, it's done. Terrified of what's left remains unsaid until you break my mind.
Till you break my mind.
Until you break my thoughts.
Till you break my thought. I'm throwing wishes in a well in hopes that you will keep them for yourself. And know there was a time when we never let go. Never let go. Ooh, we never let go.
We can figure this out. Put your feet down. We are the lucky ones. Swallow your choice, it's
So that is all I did to achieve this cute rubber band plus low ponytail hairstyle, and I hope you guys find this video helpful. Do not forget to hit the red button if you haven't already, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all very soon. Bye.